Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by confirming app updates and permissions, then open WhatsApp and go straight to Settings right arrow notifications. Once there, make sure global notifications are enabled, otherwise nothing will change. For immediate results, choose whether you want a per contact color or a system channel color. Pick a chat now. Open that chat, tap the name at top, and select Custom Notifications. Toggle Custom Notifications on so you can edit light, tone, and vibration. This puts you into the actionable options. Once Custom Notifications is active, tap Notification Light or Light Color and select your preferred color. Save immediately. If your phone uses notification channels, go to Android Settings right arrow Apps right arrow WhatsApp right arrow Notifications. Pick the specific channel, messages, groups, open Advanced, then choose the LED or light color and sound. Make sure Do Not Disturb exceptions allow the channel. After selecting color and sound, press Save or Back to apply. WhatsApp and system settings must both reflect the change for it to work. Finish by sending a test message from another device or ask someone to message you. Observe the light color, tone, and vibration. If it doesn't show, restart your phone, then recheck WhatsApp and system notification channel settings. Make sure Battery Saver or Do Not Disturb isn't blocking LED or sounds and that notification access is allowed. If still failing, update the phone OS and WhatsApp and retry. One key troubleshooting tip: revoke and regrant notification permission to force the system to refresh channels.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.